Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Anggun Septiarini with NPM 2441231 from the Accounting Study Program. This video was made to fulfill the Business Mathematics course. The materials that I will present is about business mathematics models. Understanding mathematicals. Model mathematics. Models are usually presented by mathematical equation or function and curves or graphs. Elements in business mathematics. Here are the elements in business mathematics. Number 1. A variable is something whose value can change in a particular problem. In applied mathematics, economics, and business, variables are often symbolized by the letter in front of the variable name. For example, the variables used in economics and business are P is price, Q is quantity requested or offered, C is cost. Number 2. A parameter is coefficient of a variable or a number that describes the character of a variable. Number 3. A constant is a single real number whose value does not change in a particular problem. Types of variables. Variables consist of two types, namely endogenous and exogenous. Endogenous variables are variables whose solution values are obtained from within the models, while exogenous variables are variables whose values are obtained from outside the model or have been determined based on existing data. Equations and inequalities mathematics model often include a statement or group of statements that include variables, symbols of variables, and constants. Statements in a mathematical form are considered a symbolic expression. Example: 3xyz plus xy mean 5xz. This statement means a symbol consisting of two integers 3 and 5 and three variables, namely x, y, and z. The terms in the symbol are plus 3xyz, plus xy, and negative 5xz. The first term has four factors, namely positive 3, x, y, and z. The second term has two factors, namely plus x and y. And the third term has three factors, namely min 5, x, and z. Equation is a statement that two symbols are the same. Equation is usually symbolized by the sign equal to, while inequality is a statement that states that two symbols are not the same. Inequality is usually symbolized by the sign less than or greater than. Types of equations. Equations are divided into two, namely definition equation and behavioral equations. Number one, definition equation are a form of equation between two statements that have the same meaning. For example, total revenue is the multiplication of the price per unit by the number of items sold. Number 2, behavioral equations are equations that show that changes in the behavior of a variable are as a result of change in other related variables. This equation can be applied to human behavior. Then there is the real number system. The set of real number system includes two types of numbers, namely rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers consist of integers and fractional numbers. These integers include all positive, negative, and zero integers, while fractional numbers are numbers that lie between integers but positive and negative, only ending and repeating decimals. Integers are also divided into three groups, namely positive, zero, and negative numbers. So, in inclusion, the real number system includes all numbers that have decimals, ending repeating and not repeating. Concept and set theory. A set is a group of different objects. This object may be a group of numbers or some other group. Sets are usually denoted by a capital letter and their elements are listed in curly brackets and their elements are separated by commas. Example, S is equal to open brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 close brackets. So S is the set of 5 positive integers 1 to 5. Set operations include union, interactions, and complement. Number 1. Union is a union of two sets. A and B is a new set that contains elements owned by both A and B. This definition can also be extended to include unions of more than two sets. The union set is given the symbols A union B. For examples, if A is 1, 3, 5, 7 and B 2, 4, 6, 8, then A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 2, intersection. The intersection of two sets A and B is a new set containing elements belonging to A and B. This intersection set is given the symbols A intersections B. For example, if A is 1, 3, 5, 7 and B is 3, 5, 6, 8, then intersection B is 3 and 5. Number 3, the complement of set A is all elements or members in the universal set intersection that are not in set A. The complement of set A is given the symbol A. For example, S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then B complement is 6, 7, 8, and 9. That is the method that I can present. If there are any mistakes, I appeal to Allah SWT. I ask forgiveness. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.